Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, we're doing a lunch of the bows. Here are the stickers that we got so that you can see. Then we're gonna do a video to gift a few bows so that we can find out how the bows are like, the quality of the bows, and just add a few comments to the bows. That's the intent and that's the purpose. So we're gonna show some of the bows. And the ladies, I'm doing the introduction and talking. They're just here to show their pretty faces. And this is the cookie that we're not gonna lunch right now. So this is the chosen that we are lunching. Just a minute. Let me get it for you. This is the Serenity. And I think it's the difference because that's a silk bow. Then we have another cookie. They're just different designs. And what I love is that I have the tag on the back. And it says M&M bows. I absolutely love it. So the bows have different straps. It just depends. These straps are the same. Actually, all of these straps are the same because this one is wrapped for an infant. And then this is the same. It's a different strap. It's a lace. Has a little stretch. This is a lace. And this is for an infant. So this is the Serenity. Also different material. This Serenity is a silk. And the other one. Yes, ma'am. And then both of these are chosen. You want some more?
No.
Say thank you. So I am going to show Kayla two little girls. Let me show you this one first. This is another chosen. And then this is another person's, but they still have the Serenity and the cookie. So I'm going to show you Kayla little girls. Both have the chosen design. So she has two little girls, Trinity and, let me think of her other daughter's name. It just left my mind. I just had it. These are chosen. It's going to come back to me before I finish her video. It's going to come back. Just a minute, Miss Ma'am. It just came back. Trinity and Brooklyn. So we're going to do an unveiling for them. She doesn't know I'm putting this together for her. So she has two girls. And I did the bows the same color just in case they're dressed similar or something. I'm not sure. My girls are normally dressed alike. So I usually have similar bows. But right now, this is a bow I was fooling around and I made. And I made for Mae, and then Mattie has a bow like Brooklyn and Trinity are gonna have. So I was going back and forth on what all I wanted to put in. So I do have this tag that I'm gonna put in there. I have a comment card, and then we have the gift wrapping paper. I was going back and forth to determine if I was gonna use boxes or not. And so I'm still going back and forth. So those are things I need your help with. So what we're gonna do, and my face is not being shown intentionally. So we have pink and purple are their colors. So we have, I'm going to start the wrap with the purple. And then I'm going to do an inlay with the pink. So I have the purple and then I have the pink. And I am not a honorary gift wrapper, if you will. This is what we have so far. I probably need to angle the camera higher. So I'm gonna put the chosen. And then, so this is what we have. And then I'm gonna put the yellow and white chosen. So I did different bands on these. I have this band and I have this band. But I think I'm going to need a sturdier band. I did a band from the beauty store. And I'm probably gonna go with goodie bands instead. So that's the kind of input I need. What do you think about the bands? And I'm not sure, I believe Brooklyn is the younger one. I'm not sure if she wear bands, or you might even wear the little bracket. And I'm not so much into the brackets, but that's the things that I need help with to see if I want to even do the bracket. Actually, I'm closing it up, but what I was supposed to do is, my goal in doing this was, I actually wanted, or you want to see yourself? I actually wanted, or thought in my mind, it would clutch like this, and you would have it there. And what I was gonna do is do my stapleless clipper and clip it there. But I really thought it was going to be like if I went through the straps on it and do it like this. But I don't think that's gonna work in the way I'm wrapping it. So I'm going to see what else can I do. I guess another thing that I could do is just lay it in here. Or I can put my comment card in here, close the wrap, and then put this so that you read it first on top. I think that would work. And then close it. So I'm closing you up, Trinity and Brooklyn. Close it up. Then these boxes I definitely, of course, would have to tape, so on and so forth. And I wanted to put their sticker in the middle. In my mind, when I envisioned it, the sticker, I did not have a box, and the sticker was on a pink bag, closed here, but I didn't have a box like I said. But I think I may prefer boxes. You'd have to tell me. So now all that's changed to, and I'm gonna have to stick the box better, is putting the sticker here so that you'll see, and then putting it in the box. But I need to, I say I'm not a taper. I need to tape the edges down. Then I'm gonna have to give me some fast taping, because just packing it is a job by itself, possibly. But of course it will go faster if I'm not talking, and if the girls are my helpers, but you know, maybe they're kind of sort of doing their own thing. Okay, now I didn't do that so good. That was a little raggy on the tape. So let me try this again. Okay, smoother on this side. So any comments and or suggestions? Some people are just naturally gifted on packing. And so, let me see. I don't even know if this box would fit. So, pack here. Look at this little girl, Wildflower, is trying to get out of her high chair. And pack here. So these are the girls. I don't know if I even told you, Kayla. This is Mattie and Mae bows. So they're launching their hair bow line. And this is how it's working. So I'm trying to see if I do have larger boxes. I mean, a larger bag. But in my mind, I was like, just use this bag. But because the larger bag is humongous. It's like a 13 or something by something else. So that's the only thing. So this one is a little tight. So, oh, Okay, anyway, you would definitely have to rip this out. So tell me, what do you think about packaging? Let me get the other bag just so you can see. So this would be the other bag. Gosh, it doesn't even look that big. I was just about to send it back to Amazon, and they was like, that's okay. I guess this bag would be better. I guess it really depends on how many bows a person gets also. Because I was thinking I have one single bowl to wrap, but I was thinking I have even a smaller bag, and I was just gonna put it in that one bag. So instead of putting it in a box, I have to see. So anyway, this is what it would be. But if I just get my medium-sized box, it would be like this. It would be tight. It still would work, but it's, you know, maybe you would say, I don't like the way that looks. And I do have a stamp that I'm going to have to try out, but I believe the stamp is too wet. And on their videos, no, I don't normally show my face. I just prefer it to be the girls, because I have my own YouTube and my own all kind of various channels. So anyway, say bye. Say, I hope you like your bows. Like your bows. How old are you?
2 years.
2 years old? Fabulous. And then you just turned 9 months old, right, Mattie?
Mae.
This is Mae and this is Mattie. I'm going by their middle names because they have the same initials and I like it. Yay! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell Miss Kayla bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Have fun. Give me all your comments. Mattie and Maebows. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.